Journal of Clinical Oncology's primary mission is to improve the lives of our patients with cancer. We do this by attracting and publishing the very best therapeutic advances in the field, advances that are oftentimes adopted throughout the world because of our broad international reach. We appeal to a broad readership by publishing all aspects of oncology care, from novel therapeutic approaches such as tyrosine kinase inhibitors to important studies that reveal ways of providing more effective palliative care and supportive care to our patients. It's this diversity of content that makes us very unique and which provides our readers with a very well-rounded menu of information that they need to provide our patients with the very best care possible. Drug development is changing at a very fast pace, and we recognize that it's difficult for our busy readers to keep up to date regarding the biology underlying new treatments, as well as how to apply new treatments in the care of their patients. That is why we developed these two new sections, Understanding the Pathway and Oncology Grand Rounds, when I started as editor-in-chief. Understanding the Pathway is a unique two-page snippet that accompanies an original report published in the same issue of the journal. It is designed to provide a very encapsulated explanation of the biology behind a new drug or a new treatment approach. Oncology Grand Rounds, on the other hand, is best thought of as a counterpart to Understanding the Pathway, but from a clinical perspective. It is patient-centered and uses a real patient as a springboard for discussing the aspects of treatment as it relates to the original report. These two sections allow us to choreograph important information around the original report, and it enhances the educational value of the original report for our readers.
Well, in addition to the proudness of having your work published in JCO, what I have highly appreciated is how the reviewer and the editors have improved the interpretation of the data and pushed us to find the best of our data in the paper.
Our special series of reviews is very popular because it enables our readers to become up to date on topics that are very difficult to follow on a day-to-day basis. Such topics such as survivorship issues, global oncology, advances in lung cancer management, immunotherapy, have all been featured in our special series issues, and they've been very valuable to our readers. The Rapid Review Pathway enables authors to receive a first decision on their manuscript within 72 hours of assignment to the editor. This is very quick, and our authors appreciate that kind of service because it helps them understand where their manuscript stands within our journal and what changes may need to be made. Likewise, the Rapid Communications Pathway takes a paper that is extremely important from a practice-changing point of view and publishes it online with an accelerated time frame, usually within 4 weeks of acceptance. Papers published on a rapid communications basis are made available to all readers, regardless of whether or not they have a subscription to JCO. We feel strongly about this because it's important that practice-changing research be available to all oncology healthcare providers. I work with a very large team of editors who are highly accomplished and who come from all over the world and have a variety of areas of expertise that they bring to the journal. Our editors are able to recognize and attract high-quality, practice-changing work, such that when our readers pick up each issue of the journal every 10 days, they have confidence that it has met the approval of editors who are just like them, oncology professionals who are involved in the care of their patients. I am very proud to say that Journal of Clinical Oncology has one of the highest impact factors in all oncology journals. But impact factor is not the only metric that we use to judge our performance. For instance, we have the highest eigenfactor of all oncology journals, as well as the highest Google Scholar H-index. Very prestigious metrics.
I think that for a clinical researcher and the whole team working with him, having a paper published in this high rank and widely read paper, which is JCO, is an achievement in professional life.
As editor-in-chief of Journal of Clinical Oncology, I feel that I have the best job in the world. I have the privilege of working with the brightest editors that one could hope for, and a team at ASCO that is second to none, and derive a great deal of satisfaction with the knowledge that we publish practice-changing research that affects the lives of our patients with cancer.